Hello everyone. Meet again with my channel Car, Interior and Exterior. In this video we will discuss about Car's 2023 Infiniti QX50. Infiniti came out with the second gen QX50 in 2019. To keep its compact SUV fresh, Infiniti is expected to come out with a refreshed QX50 in the second half of 2022. We're not sure what Infiniti has in store for the 2023 QX50, but expect the SUV to arrive with a slightly updated design and a few more features. The current QX50 strikes a good balance between being upscale and sporty. The SUV's large grille, swept-back headlights, and angular front fascia help it stand out in the class. Body lines that start at the front of the SUV travel along the sides, connecting with the rear fender. A modest rear spoiler, triangular taillights, and a curvy liftgate give the QX50 a sporty look at the back. A refresh should see the 2023 QX50 arrive with an updated design with new lighting, sharper design elements, new wheels, and new paint schemes. On the inside, the QX50 shows its age with a dual-screen setup. There are plenty of physical buttons and dials to use, but they don't necessarily make the infotainment system intuitive. The rest of the cabin fits in with the luxury segment, with sweeping lines, premium materials, and a quiet interior. We could see the 2023 Infiniti QX50 arrive with an updated center console with just a single screen, though that seems unlikely. More premium materials, a larger digital instrument cluster, and redesigned seats are things we could see with the 2023 model's refresh. Infiniti offers the QX50 with a standard turbocharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine with variable compression. The engine is rated at 268 horsepower and 280 pound-feet of torque. We expect the engine to remain the same for the 2023 model year, but the SUV's continuously variable automatic transmission could be updated for better performance. The QX50 will continue to be available with front-wheel and all-wheel drive. Pricing and release date: the refreshed 2023 Infiniti QX50 is expected to arrive in the second half of the year. Depending on the extent of the refresh, the SUV is expected to have a similar price range to the current model that's on sale. Pricing for the current QX50 ranges from $40,175 to $58,125. Prices include destination,